give me visuals! Is that Alistair? Matt! Where is he? Still there? Can you see him? I can see him. Game!
ASAP.
Guys, you guys go round. No, yeah, you guys.
Yes, game over! Good job, Ben. Game.
That's a hit. I got him on the neck. I did stop him falling the beam. Hey. On the rock.
Yeah, game! Game over! Ollie, keep it down. Legs down, move, get out of there. Ben's down. So I thought you under me. Ollie, mate, keep him pinned. Keep him pinned. Keep his. Okay, Ben, just complete your rinse. Ready? Ready? Back. Ben, no, don't.
Where are they?
We're coming in.
Where are they?
They're over in the thing. I'm gonna hit them if they go around. Actually, no, I can't even hit them either. No, but you know. On spot.
Move up, Luke, move.
Get to tower, get to tower, get to tower. Out. I'm on my last mag. She were under her kind of heavy fire. Luke is pinned down in the tower. Jack's hit! Jack's hit! Matt's hit!
Yeah!
Nice shot!
24.
Go, go, go! What do I get for refresh?
7. Bomb defused with 3 seconds remaining.
Yes, boys!
Noob! Knife kill, a knife kill. Guys, drop to the floor and stay quiet. Tomahawk kill, don't move, drop straight to the floor, right?
Okay.
Just drop straight, yeah, go now, go now. Drop to the floor, knife kill.
Alison's down, come check him.